Hello, here's installment 2 of shifting. If you did the first one, you were shifting to harmonics. We're going to shift to that same pitch, but as a stopped pitch. And that shifting to first finger at the 1/3 harmonic, right where the neck starts to bend, where our thumb can't go any further, that's called fourth position. The reason why it's called fourth position is your 4-letter names of the alphabet up from first position. So a first finger on the A string would be a B, and here it would be on a C or a C sharp. That would be 2, that would be second position. And here or here it would be on a D or a D sharp. That's the next letter of the alphabet. So that would be third position, B, C, D. And the letter after that would be E. B, C, D, E is fourth position when we're there. And again, the thumb will stop me. So I'll practice shifting into fourth position. And it's going to be the same exercise you were just doing in the previous video, but I am shifting now to a stopped pitch. So it might go something like. And hopefully you feel your thumb being caught by the end of the neck. That's great. It's a very logical place to stop. It's a very, for the hand to stop, in other words, you're letting it drop until it can't go any further. It's a very comfortable position to shift to. If not at first, it soon will be, and it's a favorite of cellists everywhere. So another nice thing, we'll try it on other strings, for example. And what you'll notice on the other strings, this pitch that I'm playing on the D string, the name of this pitch is A. It's the same pitch as the next higher open string. So this pitch on the G string is the same pitch as open D. And likewise, first finger in fourth position on the C string is the same note as open G. So that's cool, isn't it? And you can play the other notes in this position. Your fingers will be a little closer together. If you've ever seen the frets on a guitar, they get closer together as you get closer to the bridge. Same thing is true on any string instrument. So fourth finger in fourth position can also be checked against an open string. It's the same pitch as 2 strings lower. So it's nice to know that we're playing the right note and that it's in tune, isn't it? So you could make up a scale here if you also wanted to involve the halfway harmonic. You could play. Now that's not any real scale right there, any of the standard scales. But if you introduce the concept of extensions in fourth position, you can avoid the open strings altogether, which is a great way to start teaching yourself to liberate yourself from first position all the time. So we'll shift into fourth position, first as a harmonic, remember the previous video, and then as stopped pitches. But even when I shift to stopped pitches, I'm still letting go and then re-falling into the string. So there's this feeling of hopping from position to position. And I definitely always lighten up the finger during the shift so that I'm using arm weight and it feels like I'm jumping the hand around when I shift. So that's it. That's shifts from first position to fourth position. I'll talk about the other 2 positions in installment 3.